We're just slightly north of the Campbell River, about 100 metres. Just crossed over the one-way bridge heading towards Saywood and Port Hardy, and we turn off at Windsor Plywood, make a little right turn. There's a sort of limited car park there, and the trail is between the road and Windsor Plywood. There's Windsor Plywood, the timber yard, and we just make now way down past the edge of the bridge here. Graffiti, yeah. Yeah, I haven't been on this trail before.
I've been here before, but it was not called Quinny. It's a different name now.
Oh, this is nice. Look at this.
This goes all the way to
The Canyon View Trail. So this is another part of the Canyon View Trail.
Yeah. Well, what's that point? Then you point.
That's going along and over the bridge. I guess you can go straight down the side there. This looks like more spawning grounds for the salmon. Yeah, the baby salmon can come down here and go up before they head out to sea. Mason bees there, or some sort of bird box. The Mill Pond Ven. Oh, must have been a. Oh gosh, it's a log sort of sometime. Wow. Yeah, wow. It's all been reclaimed. It's beautiful here. I'm gonna have a sit on that bench. They've certainly done a lot of development around here. There's lots of nice trails to go around and some beautiful views. And you've got the water just the other side of them trees. Oh, we've got to put Rover back on his lead. Rover! Oh, look at this thing. Great big crane with those big metal posts are called spuds, and they anchor it to the seabed so that crane can operate without tipping the barge over. Quite a commercial area, this. And you got Thunderbird Spit over there somewhere. And you got a bear in a kayak. It's from the wood carving competition at Willow Point every summer.
She did more work on it.
Lots of salmon swimming under the canoe, or the sea that the canoe's sitting on. And a little bear up there. Kind of on the edge of an industrial site. Interesting
This way, Mike. Wait.
nature. Oh, there's another totem here, Tina. Bear cub with salmon. We've got the entrance here.
That's where we should have started, Steve.
Yeah,
Actually.
nice car park and restrooms.
And the parking spot.
And restrooms there.